Happy birthday, 'cause you're awesome. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Happy 40th birthday po. Wishing you a day filled with love and laughter and a year filled with happiness. Happy birthday po, Tito J. Wishing you the happiest of birthdays and a wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday, Kuya. On your special day, I wish you a lot of smile, a heart of full of dreams and adventure. We miss you, we love you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Jay. God bless and great health. Ingat lagi, Ken. Ikaw po yung family mo. Thank you for always being there para kaya kaming kapatid mo. At wish me talaga lagi na mas maging successful ka. So, ingat lagi and we love you. We miss you. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy 40th celebrations of life, my dear son. No words could describe how grateful I am to be your mom. Having you in my life is a God's blessing for me. May the good Lord bless and keep you always safe. And remember this always. I love you, son. Happy 40th birthday. Love you.
Birthday